Hi guys, my name is Zara B. Welcome back to my channel and this is my world. I know it looks different in here because we done made it up in the yard. So obviously we don't have to be running around and wasting more money. Do you get me? So I'm here in my new setting. I hope you guys like it. I'm going to fix the lighting because it does look a little bit dodgy, but we will overcome, God willing. On the left I've got my embroidery machine. Behind you directly is my heat press machine, my sublimation printer, my normal printer, and then I've got my stock and all my stuff in my makeshift bookshelf on the right hand side. So literally my living room is half and half. So in today's video, let me not waffle along, we're going to be talking about how to make decent logos and what sort of apps you're going to use to make your logos for your products. So majority of the time I use the platform fiverr.com to get graphic designers to redo a logo that I've done. Now with them, they can vectorize your logo and use Photoshop, and it's much more cheaper for them to do it for you if you don't have Photoshop. Photoshop is £20 a month. If you can afford that, fine. If you can't, there's another website called Photopea, which is photo and then PEA.com, which is another version of Photoshop, but obviously much more cheaper. It's still got the same software mechanisms that they use, so you're able to use that. Now with Canva, they've got so much templates, so much fonts that you can use to create your logos, but you can also upload your own logo and, you know, spruce it up a bit with Canva. Now if you want your logo to have a clear background, you need Photoroom. Now Photoroom, it will just literally clear your background, but for you to not have their watermark, you need to be able to pay for the subscription. Majority of these apps are not expensive, you know, but they do accumulate if you're downloading so many of them. But literally you don't need so many for you to be able to make your logos. But I find Canva so useful because Canva can make your own personal logos, you can make flyers, you can make your YouTube banners, you can make so many things with Canva. But I do find that if you also use fiverr.com, you can literally get the best graphic designers to be able to redo your logo or even create a new one that's better than the old one. There's also another really good app that I use. It's called LogoPit, and you can only get that on the Android. With that app, I literally use it to brainstorm ideas and just try and make whatever logo that I see and I want to recreate it in my own way. I use LogoPit to help me create that vision for me. But at the end of the day, those are the platforms or apps that I use to make my designs and stuff like that. Anyway, just a quick video again. Thank you for viewing my new studio. I hope you guys like it. I hope the lighting and everything is fine. It's a late video, I know. I was supposed to upload on Wednesday, but I've been trying to get this thing lit for you lot, so give it some time. But next week we're going to be right up on it, God willing. But this week it might just be one video, guys, because I got work tomorrow. I work on the weekends. Thank you guys for being here, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.